This video is in continuation of our previous video where I was explaining to create a loan for 5 product scheme, that is the LAP, business loan, personal loan, payday loan and personal loan short term. So we are going to quickly search customer and click loan, and here we are going to select LAP product scheme. Configure manually I will take here so that I will get to know the configuration that we have done. The important part here is that if my disbursement is first and first installment is on 10th, then pre EMI concept. So this is the pre EMI. We have option here to add that pre EMI as part of interest income like this, or tax not applicable, or we can also create another ledger which is of pre EMI. So ledger, create ledger, under ledger indirect, this is one time activity under indirect direct income and pre EMI interest. I can give any name whatever we want. I click save, and now I've dash. And one more thing, that whatever charges we want to include, like in previous case RM charges, so we can sim ledger indirect incomes and click RM charges here, so that it will be available in product scheme configuration. Now I search customer, click loan and select the scheme, and finally disburse on 1st Jan and first installment Feb. So this amount I can add pre EMI interest. It is not percent, I'm simply entering the amount here, tax not applicable, click add. This is my total deductible amount. GST, CGST, everything is configured as per the amount and configuration done. We can decide whether we want to make this charge as a taxable or not. That is all configurable. Finally, if everything is okay, click calculate and then review everything here, because whatever we see here, that will be saved in the system. So this installment is created perfectly, and every installment is kept same. I have done some configurations. Let me save this loan first. I click save. So loan number is created here. I simply click to view the details. This is the customer summary, this is the loan summary, and interest, whatever penalty is auto calculated here. If you want to see on what basis penalty is calculated, click party ledger and click calculate late fee. System will show us how much penalty calculated, what is the criteria for calculations. Everything will be shown here as highlighted yellow. Installment is created. This is the installment summary, and here the installment schedule is created. We'll have to review that principal total, and this is the recoverable interest. Transactions also shown here correctly. Important part to achieve this, we have done a few settings here. First setting is keep every installment same. This is one setting. Second setting, day count logic, kept it no. If you keep day count logic, then we'll have to follow certain other scenarios, but we don't want to follow this specific rule for in this case. Then third is round off, disable round off, 2 decimal round off numbering system is disabled, that is kept no. Then floor rounding, use floor rounding calculations, kept yes. We can decide whether we want to keep it yes or not based on our interest calculation logic. And fees and charges, next multiple of 1, so that this all settings are done just to avoid the decimal places in the system. Okay, then next we are going to search customer, and then we are going to check for the payday loan. or per day loan. So